Alright guys, here's a quick video on how to install the Maker's Iptv service and how to install that app onto your NVIDIA Shield. So those of you who have Fire Sticks, there's a different video on our channel you can refer to. It's a little bit easier to install on a Fire Stick. There's a couple more steps on the Shield here. So the first thing we need to do is download an app called Downloader. So you're going to go into the Google Play Store and you're going to search for Downloader. And it'll pop up. It's called Downloader by TroyPoint. It's a very popular app. It types in, you don't even have to type in the whole word. It'll pop up. And we're going to download this app here. I'm going to install it. What this app does is it'll allow us to install third-party apps that you won't find in the Google Play Store. So those of you who may be new to streaming TV, generally you're not going to find most of these apps in the Play Store that you're going to be using. Cyberflix or BTV or TV or Maker's TV. So you're going to need the Downloader app. All right. So once you have it installed, you open it up. What we're going to type in is just like you see it on the screen here, get.filelinked.com. All right. So we need to download an app called Filelinked. All right. Filelinked is not in the Google Play Store, so we have to download it through the Downloader app. So what you'll do is you'll type it in just like you see here on the screen. And once you've done this, you can go ahead and click on Go. It should pop up a message. It's going to tell you to go into Settings to give it permission. So give it just 1 second here. And I actually uninstalled Downloader and all the apps so I could go through a fresh install here. So you guys should see exactly like this if you're doing it for the first time. All right, so you're going to go into Settings. All right, so go ahead and click on Settings. And you need to give the Downloader app permission to install apps, basically. So you'll come here, enable that, click the back button, and then click Install again. It'll take you through those steps. You go down there to the bottom to install. All right. You can click Done or Open down there at the bottom. I'm going to click Done and click back. Now, if you want to add those two apps that we just downloaded to the home screen, you click right there as you see. And now we have the two apps we just downloaded. We got Downloader from the Play Store, and then we got the Filelinked app from Downloader. So those are the two apps we just installed. We need these two apps to install the Maker service. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and open up Filelinked, and this is where it's going to ask you for your code. The code we're going to enter is going to be 21504738. And that's going to give you access to the Maker's app store. Currently, there's only one app in there, which is the Maker's app, but we're going to be adding a few other apps in there in the near future as well. So you type that in there, and there's no passcode. It's just the one-time code there. And then you'll see the Maker's app. So from here, you'll see the download arrow. You can click to miss on that. You'll see the download arrow, and you're going to click to download it. All right, and then it changes to a play symbol. You're going to go ahead and click on the play symbol. Now again, it's going to tell you that you have to give this app permission to install. So you're going to click on the settings, go to there, enable it, click back, and then you'll click to download the app again. All right. Yep. And then install. Now what we're going to do, we're going to click Done and go back to the home screen. And you'll notice that you can't put the Maker's app into the list there. So you have to go up to Settings, scroll down, and get to the apps this way, which is a lot, it's time consuming. So if you had to do that every morning or every time you wanted to watch the app, it gets a little annoying. So what we can do is we want to make it to where we can easily access it. So we need to download an app called SideLoader Launcher. So you're going to go to your Google Play Store and you're going to type in Side. You can actually just type in Side, SIDE, and it should pop right up. It's a pretty popular app. Yep, SideLoader Launcher, Android TV. You're going to click. Yep, and right there, and go ahead and install the SideLoader Launcher. What this will do is this will give you access to let all of the apps that you sideload, or any app that you install through Downloader, you can easily access it. So we go in here, SideLoader Launcher, we just download it, add it to our home screen. See, these are our 3 apps we just downloaded right here. Got our downloader, and our Filelinked, and our SideLoad Launcher. So if we open up SideLoad Launcher, all of our apps here. So we got the Makers app right there. Downloader we just downloaded. And also if you hold down the OK or the center button, you can go and move it. You know, I like to move everything to the front. And then you can click on SideLoad Launcher and then the Makers app. And you can launch it right up. So there you go, guys. That's it. Now, it'll probably ask you for your username and password for the Makers app once you launch it. You'll get that from your activation email. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, reach out to us, makershosting.com. Hope you guys enjoy.